Are you struggling to build an email list because you do not have the time to create a lead magnet from scratch? What if I told you that you could get a complete done-for-you list building funnel for exactly $1? Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at the Human Touch AI Prompting PLR package. Make sure you stick around because later in this video, I am going to show you a massive stack of 10 exclusive bonuses I have put together for you. These bonuses are designed to get you free traffic, and you can only get them by clicking the link in the description below. Here is my honest first impression. For a single dollar, this is an absolute steal. It gives you a fully written report, the graphics, and the web pages you need to start collecting emails within the hour. However, a great lead magnet is completely useless if nobody sees it. That is why I highly recommend pairing this with my custom traffic bonuses to make sure you actually get subscribers. So what exactly is the Human Touch AI Prompting PLR package? Simply put, it is a business in a box. It's designed for new or busy affiliate marketers who need a high-converting freebie to give away to their audience. The topic is highly relevant right now. It teaches people how to generate natural-sounding content using advanced AI prompts. Because it comes with private label rights, you can put your own name on it, give it away to build your list, or even sell it as your own product. It completely removes the headache of writing content and designing web pages. Let's take a look at what you actually get inside. First, you get a premium 2,300-word report that is professionally formatted and ready to publish. Next, you get the mobile-ready lead capture and delivery pages. These are standalone pages, so you do not need expensive software to run them. You just upload them and you're good to go. You also get all the editable source files, including the Word documents and Photoshop files, plus a set of promotional banner graphics to help you run ads. Now, let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end product is just $1 during the launch special. You literally cannot beat that. During checkout, you'll see an order bump for the 30-day traffic plan for $9.97. I highly recommend grabbing this so you know how to push visitors to your new funnel. Finally, there is OTO1, which gives you unrestricted PLR to the entire package for $17. This is where the big money is, because it allows you to resell the PLR rates to other marketers for pure profit. As I mentioned earlier, the biggest problem with any done-for-you funnel is getting traffic. That is why if you grab this $1 package through the link below, you will get instant access to my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack. Here are the 10 premium bonuses you get for free. Bonus 1 is the lead book generator. This tool lets you automatically push Facebook leads directly into your new funnel. Bonus 2 is Soci Ultima. This is the ultimate tool to drive free social media traffic to your new squeeze page. Bonus 3 is the 10K ClickFunnels case study. I will show you exactly how to turn your new leads into high-ticket commissions. Bonus 4 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed, a complete guide to getting targeted visitors for pennies. Bonus 5 is Auto Content Machine, a powerful plugin that pulls targeted content to your site automatically. Bonus 6 is YP Email Timer Plus. Add urgency to your pages to force people to subscribe faster. Bonus 7 is YP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website so you never lose a visitor to slow load times. Bonus 8 is Email List Secrets, a full video tutorial on how to build and monetize your new list. Bonus 9 is YP Headline Pro. Learn how to write headlines that make people click. And bonus 10 is List Building Expert, advanced tactics to build a massive list of hungry buyers. You get all 10 of these App Verdict exclusive bonuses absolutely free when you click the link in the description below. My final verdict is simple. Stop wasting time trying to build everything yourself. For $1, you can have a high-quality list building system ready to launch in 10 minutes. But you need to hurry. This is a launch special. Once the timer hits 0, the price is going to jump up to $67. Do not pay more than you have to. Click the first link in the description below to lock in your copy for just $1 and claim all 10 of my exclusive App Verdict bonuses. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically on your receipt page. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest software reviews. See you in the next one.